I switched from my 4-year-old iPhone 11 Pro Max to the iPhone 15 Pro Max on the last day of March 2024. Hey guys, you're watching TechNutso, let's get started. I basically chose the newest color of the iPhone and I also loved it. I visited the Apple BKC store to check out all the colors. Out of all, the Natural Titanium was the color which my heart settled on. As I am a tech content creator, I was supposed to go for the 512GB storage variant. But as the 15 Pro Max has a Type-C port, I chose to go with the 256GB variant. Because I know that at some point the 512GB variant will also be not enough for me, and also the price difference was Rs 15,000. I can get as many pen drives or an SSD in that price to store my data. My 11 Pro Max had around 8GB free when I transferred my data into the 15 Pro Max. After the transfer, I copied and deleted 71GB of data which wasn't of my use at any moment and was lying around in my storage. Type-C is a good change for sure. My 11 Pro Max had gotten slow and laggy. Although the battery health was 73%, it took me through the day. The cameras were working out perfectly fine, but the sluggish performance, freezing issues and RAM crashes pushed me to upgrade. The 15 Pro Max feels a little bit huge when compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm used to it. The titanium build has really made a difference. iPhone definitely feels lighter to hold and the curved edges make in-hand feel more premium. And anyway, I was not really a fan of flat edges. Titanium is a real game changer for sure. I also like how the sides don't shine, and if they don't shine, there's no problem of fingerprint smudges. I've fallen in love with the ProMotion display and the dynamic island. The big notch is now gone. The 60Hz on the 11 Pro Max was good enough because the iOS animations are that smooth. But the difference can now be felt on the 15 Pro Max. The already smooth display now feels snappier and fast. The dynamic island is kind of growing on me as I become familiar with it. The Face ID is really fast now, and it does unlock when in landscape orientation 2, which was missing on my 11 Pro Max. The always on display was something I missed since I left my OnePlus 6, but it wasn't a need, rather a want. And now that it's back, I'm happy. There's no need to wake up the display to check the time. It's always on right there. Notifications also come right through. The pre-installed wallpapers have awesome animations. The wallpapers make it more lively and lovely. Apple's attention to detail is something I can vouch for. The camera bump size has significantly increased and so is the quality of the photos and video. The difference can be seen. Every time I see the iPhone, I fall in love with it again and again. My love for iPhones always remains the same as on the day I unboxed it. The battery has increased in terms of capacity, but it's too early to say anything about it. So wait for my detailed review, which will consist of more details about how the iPhone performs in my day-to-day heavy usage. There are new software features which are being put to test and they will be revealed on my Instagram Reels, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. I post tips and tricks about gadgets on the same and also share BTS and bits of my life. We'll talk about the specifications of the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the detailed review at length. The action button versus the ringer switch. The crispy sound of the ringer switch will be missed, and also the orange color reflector by which we could easily tell about any iPhone being on silent from a distance. The performance has been impressive so far. Heavy gaming and camera usage are being tested currently. Let's see how well it performs. However, one thing I can confirm is that the RAM management has been enhanced. I have my VI and JioSIM installed in it. The 5G speeds and the network reception are working well, and they'll be thoroughly tested before the review. If I get a chance, I might surely compare it with the Samsung S24 Ultra to test to see which phone performs better in what aspects. Also, I am looking out for some good cases. If any case manufacturing brand is watching, mail me so that we can collab and help people choose the perfect case for their iPhones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max surely feels like an upgrade to me, but how huge? Time will tell. Get subscribed now so that you get notified when the review is live on the channel. If you have any doubts, questions about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, drop them in the comment section and I will surely answer them in the review video. Pricing and unit details will be revealed in the same. So here I end my video. These were my first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.